The next thing that we're going to talk about is freeze mode, and this can be really useful if you're carrying a glass of water from the tap to the table, or just anything that you don't want to drop if there's something that you're holding in the hero arm. So to do that, we're going to practice on this water bottle. So same way as I picked it up before, open the palm, move the thumb in, and then wrap around. Now to activate freeze mode, I'm going to hold my close muscle and press this button at the same time. So hold close and press, and the light will flash blue when freeze mode is initiated. Now, even if I flex my open muscle, that won't open until I press the button, which will reset the hero arm back to its normal status, open the fingers and bring the thumb back.